Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify apps for enhanced functionality step by step clearly. To start installing Shopify apps, first, log in to your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the left sidebar. Click on Apps in the sidebar menu. You will be directed to the Apps page. On this page, look for the Shop for Apps button and click it. This action will take you to the Shopify App Store. Here, you can browse through various categories of apps. You can also use the search bar to find specific apps. When you find an app that interests you, click on its name for more details. Review the app's description, features, and pricing information thoroughly. If you decide to proceed, click the Add App button. You may be redirected back to your Shopify admin for permission confirmation. Follow the prompts to authorize the app access to your store. Once authorized, you may be prompted to set up the app's features. Configure any necessary settings based on your store's needs. After customization, ensure to save your settings. Now, return to the apps page in your Shopify admin to see the newly installed app. From here, you can access the app anytime to make adjustments or updates. Repeat this process to install additional. Make sure to regularly check for app updates in the apps page. Utilizing apps effectively can significantly enhance your Shopify store's capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.